Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok subscriptions tab feature. Now, in 2026, the TikTok subscription tab is the central hub for managing your monthly recurring support for creators and accessing exclusive superfan perks. This feature has evolved from purely live subscriptions into broader creator-wide subscription model that works across both live and regular video content. Now, to use the subscription tab as a viewer or just a creator, you have to go ahead and access your plans. Go to your profile icon located at the bottom right. From there, tap on this three horizontal lines menu icon located at the top right. Head to this setting and privacy option. Then tap on live option. Now, once you go ahead and tap on it, from there, you can see a list of creators you support and access their subscribers only videos, notes, and subspaces dedicated communication channels. However, it is not shown in mine because I don't have a TikTok subscription, but you should be able to view it if you have one. Now, to use subscriptions as a creator, do repeat the same process. Head to your profile icon, tap on this three line menu icon. From there, tap on this create TikTok studio option. From there, you will be able to select a subscription option over here. It is not available in mine, but you should be able to find it in yours. And once you're there, use the menu to upload up to 25 custom emotes, design your subscriber badges, and set up specific goals for your community. Now, promote via in-video links. In 2026, you can add a subscription link directly to your regular feed videos while uploading. This allows viewers to subscribe without leaving the video, driving more traffic to your premium community. And that is how you use the subscription in TikTok, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.